All right, my people, welcome back onto this channel. Well, this is another strong one reaching us still on the matter. Yoruba Nation no going back. Exactly what it is, exactly what the people are talking about. My brother, my sister, as you can see on your screen, you can see some set of people, packaging. In fact, they are carrying their luggages out of their own house. My brother, my sister, what exactly do you think is happening right now? Yes, the Yorubas will say Otirugbode. But right now, my brother, my sister, Korugbobo mo Otirugbode. Right now, this one is happening in Oworoshoki in Lagos. In fact, this area they call it the ferry Oworoshoki in Lagos. Right now, they said they don't even know what is happening. They don't know who actually sent them. But the whole truth is that what is going on is that they are burning houses. Oh my God. They are burning houses of Nigerians. In fact, most especially the houses of Yoruba people, because this one is happening in Oworoshoki right now, and a lot of people are crying. Betala share. Kí la ṣe fún ìjọba Bọ́lá Ahmed Tinubu? Kí ló ṣẹlẹ̀? Wọ́n ní ká dìbò á máa dìbò. Wọ́n ní ká dìbò á dìbò fún Bọ́lá Ahmed Tinubu o, ṣùgbọ́n báyìí ẹ wò kan tán fi wá ń san fún wa. Well, my brother, my sister, we have said it times to that number. As far as this country is concerned, there is nothing like one Nigeria. If you are still out there, you are shouting one Nigeria, one Nigeria. Look at what is happening right now. A lot of people have been thrown into agony. A lot of people have been made homeless. This is happening right now in Lagos, Oworoshoki ferry. All right, and then a lot of people have called out, and then they are complaining. Majority of people are crying. They don't even know where to go. You can see, as you can see on the screen, the people are packing their loads and they are leaving the area. They are leaving their habitat. Right now, a lot of people have been thrown into mourning because right now this set of people don't even know where they are going. But since they have started burning their houses, they don't know what else is going to happen. No notification, nothing. They just started burning the houses. They asked people to leave the area, and right now the people are complaining that we don't even know either it is the government that sent them or not. But at the end of it all, they saw policemen supporting the burning of the houses and the rest of them. Right now the people are crying that what is going on? How long are we going to continue like this? What we're actually crying for has been the hike in the petrol, or the hike and the hardship in the country. A lot of people are complaining. Of recent, I talked about where some parents came out and they were crying that why will the government increase the school fees of their children after they have increased electricity bill. Right now, a lot of people are even thinking of how they are going to eat. But look at what is going on right now. Burning of their houses, sending them away to a place they don't even know. Right now, everybody is in regret. What is going on? They warned us, don't vote for APC. Well, the people have made it clear that even if Bola Ahmed Tinubu is ready to do the needful, is ready to help the people, but with the cabal, with the people that surround him, with the 1999 constitution, are you sure he will be able to do it? How long are we going to suffer this? That's another one. Majority of people are tired that what is going on in the country. Well, we talked about this earlier before now, that the people should wake up. They should be wise. That if you believe in one Nigeria, you are putting yourself into a bigger trouble. And exactly what we're actually saying right now. For those ones who have been like, oh, one Nigeria is the solution to their problems. Majority of them voted. All these people that you see packing out their loads, they voted for Bola Ahmed Tinubu. They actually supported the movement. But right now, look at what is happening to them. Look at what the people are facing. The people are crying bitterly. How long are we going to continue like this? The people are crying bitterly. Where do they want us to go to? And right now, today is 27th of July. Yes, with the notification that had been given, it had been gathered that as from 28th of July, that is the next day, tomorrow, that there will be mass burning of building in that area. So if you are wise, start packing your loads. That's why you can see all these people coming out of their houses packing their loads. No hope again as far as this country is concerned. It's only the good Lord that will help us. My brother, my sister, yeah, this is happening in Oworoshoki ferry, or according in Lagos, Nigeria, according to the news that just reached us on our table. So I just say I should be able to announce this to the people. This is exactly what the people are actually facing for voting for any, I don't know the party, but right now the people said the party that actually won was not APC. But right now, for voting for APC or PDP or even the Labour Party, all we know is that the Yoruba Nation movement has said it before now that don't vote. Ẹ má ṣe dìbò fáwọn olóṣèlú o. We are not in support of no politicians. They said that Chief Sunday Igboho made it clear, but a lot of people ignored. They were like, I beg you, forget this Yoruba Nation people. Waiting, then they talk self. Waiting, then no self. Now so then they talk cho. Right now, the Yoruba Nation agitators have been vindicated. Chief Sunday Igboho have been vindicated. Professor Banji Akintoye have been vindicated. And exactly what we are actually saying today is many people are now expressing regret that, oh, had I known. Well, our prayer is that had I known will not be our portion. But right now, for this one, so my brother, my sister, we don't know. It's actually affecting everybody. This one is happening in Lagos ferry, Oworoshoki. Only God knows where they will start from the next time. That's exactly what we are saying. If you are still out there, you are shouting one Nigeria. Yeah, so nobody is saying you should not shout your one Nigeria, but right now that is affecting everybody. My brother, my sister, where do we go from here? Majority of people have been made homeless all of a sudden. Where do they go from here? There is hunger in the land. People are still thinking of how they can get money to fend for themselves, to be able to eat. But right now, the worst has happened in Lagos. This is happening right now. My brother, my sister, Yoruba Nation no going back. In fact, Yoruba Nation is the only way. Either they like it or not. My brother, my sister, and exactly what it is. What more can we say? Meanwhile, let me have your own take on this, my people, and remember to subscribe for more updates if you are just joining us on this channel for the first time. All right, thanks and God bless.